try before life removes all the innocence. Father, leave me behind and dance with my mother and me and him. Spin me around till I fall asleep. Leading up the stairs, he will carry me, and I know for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with her, I'd play a song that will never ever end. I would love, love, love to dance with my father again. Through all these memories, to get my way, I would run from here to there. I'd make laugh just to comfort me, then finally make me do just what Mama said the night when I was asleep. He left a dollar under my sheet, never dreamed that he will be gone for me. If I could feel one final glance, one final step, one final dance with her, I'd play a song that will never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside our door, and I hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. No, I'm praying for much too much, but called you Sinbad, the only man she loved. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.